Yeah.
Actually, because you get a flame show and everything with this. Tell me when you start the video.
Yeah, I'm starting. Yeah.
Okay. So, cupping line causes a massive increase in circulation, has a bit of an acupunctural effect, has a deep massaging effect, and via those means it relaxes the muscles. Extremely good for end stage muscle strains, tensions, hematoma. You get a decent close-up there, you'll really see that skin lifting there.
Okay.
Okay.